Hello.
Hi, are you Amjad?
Yes, I am Amjad.
This is Rahil.
Hi Rahil. How is it going? How have you been?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
I am doing great. What have you been up to recently?
I have been very busy doing schoolwork. I have been studying a lot.
Yeah, me too. What are you doing on Friday? Do you want to go out to eat and then to movie or something?
This Friday,
Yes,
what time on Friday?
probably meet at 6 o'clock.
6. I would really like to, but I have swimming classes at 6, so I can't, unfortunately.
Oh, it's okay.
How about Saturday? Are you free on Saturday?
Yes, I'm free. That sounds fine. How about 6 o'clock on Saturday?
Sure, it's perfect. Where shall we meet?
We can meet at the library.
The library.
The library bus stop and then take the bus to dinner for there.
I don't know where the library is. Is it close?
The library is very close. You just go on to University Street.
Okay, I can find that.
Sounds great. So I'll see you then.
Okay, 6 o'clock on Saturday. Bye bye.
Bye.